Today I wanted to do a quick video to share with you the process I use to create diagrams that help me explain different concepts and topics using Claude and a tool called Excalidraw. It's very simple, it doesn't require any complex setup, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Now this here is a tool, it's a free open source tool called Excalidraw, and you can actually access it by going to excalidraw.com. That allows you to create diagrams similar to tools like Miro, like the Apple native diagram creation tool, Freeform. It's really nice. Like it gives you quite a lot of tools here, features to create any diagram that you want, and it's been getting quite popular recently. It has a cloud version, so Excalidraw Plus. But the open source version is free, with the only drawback that any design that you create, any diagram that you create, you need to store on your local machine, on your computer basically, and then you open the files again from your computer. Now, what's cool about this is that Claude is really good at creating these diagrams. So the diagram that you see here was created entirely with one Claude prompt. So I told it here, this is, by the way, is a diagram for a video that I'm preparing right now. I told it that I want to create an Excalidraw diagram that communicates the idea that an AI skill can offer predefined behavior execution, but it can also offer interaction with the data source. The aim is to show this in a video where I explain how someone can make money selling a skill. I want to communicate the idea that a skill that only offers behavior can be a great one-time product, but a skill that offers both behavior interaction with a gated data source can offer recurring revenue because the data source needs to be maintained, it gets updated, etc. Right? And it went ahead and built this diagram for me. The way it works is it creates a diagram and it creates an Excalidraw file, which you download and then you import into excalidraw.com by just clicking open and then selecting the file from your computer, right? And this is the outcome, which I think it's great. I don't even need to edit this. I will be using this on my next video. So yeah, for those of you who are visual communicators, I think this can be a great addition to your tech stack. And I'm gonna go ahead and do another example here. So I'll go to a new chat. I'll say, I want to create an Excalidraw diagram that communicates how agents work. An agent can have skills, it can have tools, and it also has a prompt and is linked to an AI model. So I want to have a diagram which shows how an agent interacts with these things. So a diagram that shows that an agent's brain is powered by an AI model. The skills are basically what enable the agent to perform predefined behaviors, and then the tools are what give the agent access to different data sources, to different apps, to different tools to be able to actually do something useful in a user's tech stack. Based on the behaviors that it already has, or the behaviors that the user trains it on, or the information that the user gives it in real time. Create this diagram for me, make it simple, and I want to ensure that it communicates like somebody who sees this diagram is able to understand everything about agents immediately. So that's the prompt. I'm going to edit it a little bit because obviously I recorded it and didn't do an amazing job at transcribing it. Excalidraw diagram. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that. So I'll let it run and then I'll come back once we have the file. All right, so I finished running and here we have the files, actually files, because I created an Excalidraw file that I will now download and then import to Excalidraw. But it also created a PNG version so I can see what it looks like, which is cool. So I will now go to Excalidraw. I will go to open Load from file. And here it is. How an agent works. The agent is the decision maker. Everything around it gives it a brain, instructions, abilities, and reach into your world. That's cool. AI model, that's the brain. So I need to do a little bit of adjusting here so we can see the text. The brain reasons, understands, and decides what to do. The AI model powers the agent, yeah. The prompt guides the agent. The instructions defines the agent's role, goals, and personality. The agent takes the goal and decides and then acts. So it performs using skills, predefined behaviors, know-how for tasks the agent performs reliably. Tools are the hands and the senses, APIs that let the agent take real actions. And then tools connect to your tech stack. Okay. Email, CRM, calendars, databases, apps, where the work happens. Okay, this is great. I love this. I mean, it's great. I don't even have ideas right now on how to edit this. But if you want to edit it, you just refine it with Claude, right? You just tell Claude what you want to change and it will do it for you. Now, I know there is also, I've seen people who connect to Excalidraw MCP for this, right? So the Excalidraw actually has an MCP and you're able to kind of like have a real-time connection between Excalidraw and what do you call it, Claude, right? So you don't need to download files and open them and all that stuff, which to me personally, I don't really care. It's not like I create diagrams all day long. But if you want to do that, I know there is a path you can explore, and let me know in the comments below if that's something you're interested in, and I can do a video. But yeah, you can. I think the drawback with that is that you need to set up like your own Excalidraw server, right? So you need to set up a server, install Excalidraw on it, create an MCP access, or like even an MCP server. And then that's what will enable Claude to communicate with Excalidraw. You're not able to do it directly on the open source free hosted version that is here. It might be possible on the Excalidraw Plus plan. I'm not sure. That's something to explore. But yeah, this is, I wanted to do this video because I'm finding this helpful in preparation for my videos. And I wanted to let you know about it in the case you're also creating diagrams and you want a quick way to do it. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or any ideas for future videos, and I will see you on the next one.